update, take 2. Hey, what's going on, guys? Posting another quick video on my wave runners. I have posted a few videos a few years back doing a flow-through exhaust on these skis. I've done some Yamahas, I've done some Sea-Doo, and I've been getting a lot of attention on these videos, and a lot of people are asking me, you know, how they can do their ski. Unfortunately, I cannot get my hands on every ski, every year, every model. There's no way in hell I can do it. It's not difficult to do. I'm going to take you through a quick step-by-step how I did them. I had no knowledge how to do it. I had to figure it out. I had to convert inches into millimeters, and it was just a trial and error thing. You know, I ordered pipes. Some worked, some didn't, and you're gonna have to do that. Like I said, you know, if somebody was to bring me a shitload of skis different years, I'd be more than happy to make videos on them, but I just don't have access to these different skis. So I try to answer every question I can on these videos, but again, I just cannot get my hands on all these skis, so I don't know how the exhaust looks in your ski. Okay, but I'm going to take you a quick step-by-step how I done it. All right, here I am inside my hull. This is my Sea-Doo. Okay, you're going to want to leave your water box. Okay, see this pipe here? I don't know if you're going to have a plastic baffle like my Yamahas had some plastic boxes here and here. All the plastic shit, take off. Take off all the plastic boxes and different baffles and shit like that. You want to remove all that. And basically what you want to do is to go from your water box to, as you can see that clamp there, that's the outlet where the exhaust dumps out of the hull. So you have to make just a straight flow with no boxes exhaust to dump out of your hull. Okay, the Sea-Doo, if I could remember correctly, I had a box over here, a big plastic humongous box to you know, quiet the noise down. But even with it removed, it's not that loud. I definitely notice a performance difference. The mid-range is really mean sounding. Sounds damn good. But on the Sea-Doo here, all I had to do is, as you could see, is I had to put a 90 in. That's all. That's all I had to do. These Sea-Doos are pretty easy. So what I did is I measured the inside of this pipe, the black pipe, and then I converted into millimeters. And then you just have to eyeball it. Are you going to need a 90, a 45, a 180? I don't know what you're going to need in your ski. Again, I don't know every ski setup. But in this Sea-Doo, it's pretty easy. I mean, I looked at the piping and I said, well, shit, only a 90. 90 would work. So I converted into millimeters, and then I started looking on eBay. You can look on eBay or Amazon. I looked for a 90, slapped it in, and that's it. That's all it needed. Because once you put that 90 in, it dumps out, exhaust dumps out of the hull right there. Boom. So, like I said, the Sea-Doos are fairly easy. The Yamahas are a little bit more work, but you are going to have some returns. You might not get it on a first try. There is some skis I done, and I did get the measurements exactly on a first try. But basically, it's just converting it into millimeters and just eyeballing it and putting pieces together. I hope this video helps. If you guys have any more questions about the previous videos posted about these flow-through exhausts, I'll try to answer all the questions I can. But again, please keep in mind, I don't know every year of ski. I don't know how they're all set up. I don't know what you have going on. But like I said, it's fairly easy. Once you get all that plastic stuff out, all the plastic baffles and plastic mufflers, leave your water box and just try to make the easiest way for that exhaust to flow with the least amount of piping to dump it out of the hull. That's all. That's all you got to do. But thank you for watching. Any questions, comments, leave them down below, and I'll try to answer them ASAP. See you.